Hello, guys. This is Mr. Lentz coming at you through the power of the internet. This is a tutorial on how to sign into Clever if you either don't remember because it's been forever or if you're new to Horry County Schools. So, the first thing you want to do if you want to go into Clever is you have to go to the Horry County Schools webpage. So, that's horrycountyschools.net. And then to find Clever, you want to go to the Student Learning Commons. You scroll down and you want to go to this puzzle piece, the Student Learning Commons, and you're going to click that. And if you're logged into your Chromebook or your school's Gmail account, you should just be able to log in with Active Directory and it will take you to it. For those of you who don't know what Clever is, this is really like a learning management system that the Horry County Schools have set up. I'll remind that, get rid of these pop-ups. This is just a place where Horry County Schools has put a lot of the programs that students can use for free. It's like a one-stop shop. So if you're in social studies, you might be using DBQ Online. If you're in ELA, you might be using the Common Lit. You can access your Google Drive from here. Um, there's a lot of research sources available here too. But that is how you log into Clever.